that just in case it's copyrighted or something, because the player needs to upload this. If not, then it doesn't get uploaded. Okay. So right now, just completely clear the chart and mark out where we're going, how we're going, the high time frame to low time frame. Just observe price. Cool. So immediately I can kind of see this A to B, this low to high we put in on the 6 month. So you could kind of assume A to B will be sideways, and overall discounted price you can expect bias to occur into premium. That's just kind of a high type of direction. I think the 6 month is that viable, I would say, compared to maybe the 1 month. Definitely you can see that bringing in further understanding. A to B from here, we see that we've initiated to the downside and saw a significant low break, and then after that significant low, what happened? New intention came into the market here. What did that new intention bring us? That new intention brought us 50% relative. Okay, so what can happen at 50%? Well, what did happen previously, and where we're reacting out from? If this chart will load, it did load. Where we're reacting out from, go away. This high liquidated this level here, initiation to the downside, pullback, mitigation, continuation. Price reacted inside the fair value gap to see continuation, showing sell side bearish momentum, bearish strength, and price respected that. But this was sort of just pullback structure thereafter, not sort of, it is pullback structure into where, possibly into discount. Where discount? Maybe this range here. This is the range that saw initiation and these internal highs here liquidate. But we're not yet there, right? So it's not necessarily certain, and bias definitely won't occur, because if bias were to occur, I expect inside of this range here, not inside of the gap necessarily. So that's just a false reaction. And here we can see price is slowing down. What happens when price slows down? It's going to possibly, most likely, go down. But coming back to A to B wise, see accumulation, initiation, mitigation, pullback, mitigation, continuation. That created, ran these internal levels here, and price went sideways. Inducement before price shot up, we ran to 50%, showed that intention, came back, mitigation, continuation. So this is definitely trending structure as well, not just pullback but trending structure. Let's go. There we go. So then from this A to this B, see price came into that discount location, showed this intention, came back, mitigated, and seek that continuation. Now this here becomes the most relevant level. Okay, what I want to mark out fully, like keep this on, is this level there. Why that level? Because the moment price ran this accumulation here, we see new intention came into the market, that being buy side, or just to rebalance price. So at premium we have accumulation, initiation. Price did hold. Did it hold? Yes, it respected initiation structure, breaking these lows here, but no pullback into premium. Well, we could possibly see price pullback much deeper than just 50%. However, we have made or created imbalance, possibly price to return, but we're 50%. What can I expect from 50% location? I can expect a sideways range. So sell high, buy low, or relative to A to B structure, right? So on the monthly, we actually just slaughterhouse, but because it's the monthly, it just was quite fantastic. It was really fantastic. Take the past week, for example. We simply reacted from the edge out of this range here. There's accumulation, initiation, that BFI high manipulation, price attracting liquidity, inducing them out here, and then seeing that initiation to the downside. So in this next few weeks, immediately, this is kind of where I'm looking to target. I must just make sure I put that on the chart. This is actually where I'm looking to target immediately, simply based off of this here, because relative to location, this mitigation happened at premium. So I can expect definitely this low to get liquidated, and from there possibly buy side, or just price to see continuation. Either way, honestly, I would really, not really, but I would expect price to just break this accumulation here, especially with the positive New York news with presidency. Definitely could be. Go through the weekly chart, see how that's looking. Weekly chart, we can further see that accumulation here. We can refine our POI as well, but that accumulation initiation with a break of structure, that manipulative highs, once that manipulation occurred, once the price ran that high, immediately that sell side strength increased, became significantly more prominent. Yes. The weekly is quite similar to the, well, everything's quite similar. Chart is fractal. We'll see immediately when that level was run, price shot up. So I do like that understanding. And looking at it now, there's accumulation here. There is a sideways range at relative premium. Well, it's not, it is premium. And then price reacted and initiated the slow break of structures. This level here, in my opinion, is a protective high. Oh, protected high. Which means I don't expect price to come up. I expect this low to eventually get liquidated out. Let's go to the daily, make it more interesting, more exciting. Further than that, we see that accumulation, initiation, mitigation, continuation. Ultimately, from this accumulation, I expect this low to get liquidated, but I do expect new intention to present itself at this level. But we also see we're quite sharp in the middle. If we do that, then we can see that 50% realistic slaughterhouse, or the area of slaughterhouse, price is significantly choppy, but the moment we tap the edges, we saw that intention present itself much more clear. Also, this level internally was quite significant. This internal level saw a internal momentum shift. It's not just Makachev. Text. I can't spell. From that level we saw internal momentum shift. Price gave a false reaction and then completely just took them out. This was the US news, president news. Currently inside of this level here, it is discount, but based on my targets, where I expect price to go, price can always give a reaction, keep that in mind. But look at this, we did get a reaction, but where did we react from that reaction? 50%, and price would continue down. So doesn't seem like price really wants to go up, or doesn't have the strength rather to go up. So going down to the 4-hour chart just to see what happened inside of this accumulation, this PLI point, because right now my relative target targeting I'm talking it in lower price. This just mark that coordinate off. So essentially a $0.6, $0.06, which is around the value. But why not 0.5 though? If we're speaking about the actual value, dollar amount or pound amount, this looks like it's relative 0.5. A few ticks difference, but this is where we're gonna see significance as well. Just take 800 for example. We've hovered around it before price gave that big break, and that level, not really, because that level's like here before price broke that. But yeah, going back into it, I wanted to add this A to B as well, please. Thank you. A to B with a internal breaks of structure, so it's a valid point. And then premium 50%. Oh, it's 25% reaction. Well, sell continuation, sell low continuations. I don't necessarily like sell low continuations, not high probability, especially now looking at this area is actually just 50% on a significantly higher chart, but nevertheless it's still 50%. But it was a fantastic reaction. But realizing that that's 25% still, this entire level, this entire move is still initiation. A bit choppy, but it's just initiation, accumulation, initiation, accumulation. This is just a reaction point. Price came to, respected, and saw that continuation to the downside. But from this internal initiation, we have 50% reaction here that tapped into this accumulation here. Let's make it red because it actually reacted from it. That's fine. So this I can, yeah, it's fine. I'll clean it up later, because this high initiation broke the low, relative 50% reaction at premium, sell continuation, expecting easily that low to get liquidated. Easy. But when? Possibly Monday. It's not necessarily that far. Possibly. That completely depends on price. See that price slow down, relative A to B, reaction at premium, price just went down. yeah, so that's sort of the observation. Just go back to the 4 hour and expecting new intention of the low run. This level here, SMT, smart money trap, SMT, why SMT? Well, the easy way to just objectify this being an SMT would be to say it's a 50% range, which is true. Where's this reacted at premium? I don't expect price to come up and liquidate this high, because this high was already a liquidation of that highs. So very much expecting this area to get liquidated. So right now, once again, bearish. If buys were to come in, ideally premium or high probability buy side will come after this low gets liquidated, or even possibly internal buy side once this level here, but that would just be to rebalance and then sell back off. So essentially that would be in pullback structure. Spelled that wrong. Lovely stuff. That's still wrong. There you go. And then this should be the internal A to B. Internal A to B discount, but expect lower prices. Righto, I'm gonna end that little clip here. It's 18 minutes. Yeah, possibly I edited and probably not, because it's just effort. GG's, good night.